Hello everybody, this is an bloom update of my collection, and of course if you would remember, this is the Gastrocylus calicularis. It's currently in bloom. You could check out the fuzzy lip on these guys here and the nice spotted petals and pouch, as you can see there. All right, and of course, the Brassavola little stars is about to fade, and you know what? I'm thinking of pollinating this just in case with this guy here, because this is, of course, this is about to fade also soon. So I would like to make use of the pollen and go ahead and pollinate the Brassavola. I think that's a neat idea. See if I would be able to propagate them. Let's see. Just see. And of course, you know, the ruby red mini cattleya that I currently have. Iron feel, something like that. So I really love the red color on this one. And I'm really excited with this one because it's about to bloom again, as you can see. And there you go. So slowly it's coming out of its sheet. Hope it all goes well with this guy here. Alright. And this is my tetraspis, white tetraspis, phalaenopsis tetraspis. And here is another mini phalaenopsis that I made a time-lapse video on. Alright, it's growing a lot of roots. Alright. And my yellow phalaenopsis just bloomed, as you can see here. And of course my purple phalaenopsis, which I pollinated with the Jaho pink lady. So hopefully they would swell up to become seed pods. Alright. And then this guy, I don't own this. It's a friend who needs a babysitter for his white phalaenopsis here. It's really nice. It has some anthuriums at the bottom. Actually, I thought these were fake, but actually they're real. They just have dark foliage. You know, it's not so common to see dark foliage anthuriums. This is the one that I use for pollination, Jaho pink lady, as you can see there. And my orange mini phalaenopsis is still in spike, and it's blooming, and there's a new spike there, as you can see. Yeah, so I don't really like cutting them, so I really like it this way, just putting out new flowers every now and then. And then here is still my Miltonia hybrid, still in bloom. Alright, so it's exciting. Alright, and my Tulumia is currently in spike, as you could see here. So I'm really happy with that one. I would be updating you guys soon with the hopefully a time-lapse video also. Alright, so this is my humidity tent, and of course my latouria little green dendrobium little green apples. So I really like the line patterns on this one. Very unique, distinct. Alright. You remember I updated you with this gastrocylus. Currently I'm doing a time lapse of its cousin, another gastrocylus, which is Gastrocylus odorata. So I'm gonna show you quickly how I'm taking time lapse videos of its cousin. Alright, so you could see there's a masdevallia hybrid also currently in shot. That's the Gastrocylus rectocala. There, it's really cold inside. It's about 61 Fahrenheit, 99% relative humidity. So I'm gonna update with you with the time lapse very soon. And these are some other guys that my friend wants me to babysit. So that's his big phalaenopsis plant there, and also his big oncidium hybrid. I think it's oncidium space rocket. That's what it's called. Alright, so thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like my videos. Bye bye.